Hello, my name is Fred Amrine, and welcome to EFC Plus, the College Funding Solution. This video is How is Financial Aid Determined? In the previous videos, we've discussed the various parts of the financial aid process. I think you need to maybe go back if you haven't gone through those and just take a look at them, because this will go into actual mathematics of the process. So you have to understand your cost of attendance, what your expected family contribution is, or your EFC, understand what merit aid is, what need-based is. Again, they're a function of the financial aid process. What your school's financial strength is. So again, the schools will all promote, they have plenty of financial aid. And then understanding your academic and financial positioning. People understand the academic reach of most schools, but don't fully understand the financial reach. And we have that as part of our EFC Plus tool that you may want to consider, and will be described in other videos coming up. So this is an important part. This is the math of the financial aid process. We're going to take this as a federal school as an example. So we've completed the FAFSA form, we've received our EFC, and we've noticed that is $25,000. As I said earlier, don't be surprised at how high your number could be. For many families, they get shocked when they see that. But if you notice two things. One, it's the same number at both schools, and now we are looking at one school that's $20,000 and one school that's $40,000. At the first school, we don't qualify for any financial need, but because we completed the FAFSA form, we will qualify for the direct Stafford loan, which is $5,500. At the other school, we do qualify for need, of which is $15,000, but we only receive a package of $12,000. That $12,000 will include the Stafford loan or the direct loan of $5,500, maybe some work study, and then maybe some free money. Again, most of the schools do not meet 100% of needs, so we would actually have what's called a financial gap of $3,000. These numbers are critical for you to understand how the game or how the financial aid process works. So how do you understand how to pay for school? And you just have to realize that it's just not the financial aid process. But to create your strategy, you need to understand your financial aid position, both in the first years and over the 4-year time frame. How to properly use your college savings plans. If you have them, that's great. Depending on what state you will live in, those 529 plans or other saving tools still can be applicable while your child's in school. Maximizing the tax strategies. Again, consult with a tax professional, or if you do your own taxes, make sure you do your homework. Understand your true financing costs or your cost of money when you go through that. And the most important, which not many places do, will give you the 4-year cash flow. That's what EFC Plus does, and that will help you make your determination of what's the best value and what's also affordable for you and your family. Personally, I just think it's important that you focus on the financial and academic outcome of this education. It's become very expensive. It's a major commitment of most families and for the students, and understand that it is an investment in their future and for themselves. Again, thanks for joining me. My name is Fred Amrine, and please check out the rest of the website or join our email list or the YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a great day.